can also be a very humbling experience here at the fair. For several years now, I took part in a contest that required some skills, special skill set. Take a look.
That was pretty good.
Have you been inside of the horse barn?
Judges, remember I brought the nice weather today? I brought my little friends. Can you do me a favor and pick out one of those animals? Here are my horns. Thank you. Yeah, when Def Leppard's singing that song, Animal John, they're singing it about me.
They are.
Clearly.
You became a chicken in that moment.
I did. I was the chicken.
A variety of other animals.
Yeah, I've got a room full of blue ribbons. It's been so fun to participate in that contest. But come on, it's not even fair. You saw I am an animal. So we passed the torch.
Oh, thank you for doing that.
To my man, John Lauritsen. Well,
I was humbled, like you said earlier on. It was a very humbling experience. I grew up with pigs and chickens, but I never, at any point, ever tried to sound like them. But, you know, that's what happens when you got to get one of these competitions. So I dug deep like you did. You know, I'm not as animated, but we had some fun today. So here's a look at all the competition I faced, and we'll show you how I did trying to fill Chris's shoes. We'll give it a shot here. Ready? I could go on all day. I was, you know.
Judges, what do you have to say?
you know, that's the best chicken I've heard in a long time, John.
Well, thank you very much. Yes. I tried a sheep too, but we won't show that one. I did get fourth place, Chris.
All right,
20 people.
Let's hear it for John.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Yeah. What did you say? There were like 20 contestants?
Gave up my pride and got that ribbon. There's 20. So not as good as Chris Shaffer, but, you know, another way here to the fair today, I was trying to practice some animal noises. I thought I could do a chicken like you did.
Yeah.
And I sounded like a psychotic rooster, so it didn't work out at all.
Can you imagine the car next to him at the red light as he said,
yes. Yeah, it was rough. It was rough. We got through it. It was fun. It was a good time.
Well, we know Aaron Hassanzada really, really wanted to do this. But,
I know she did.
Next year, Aaron. Next year.